Ethical dimension to this story, and one which has to do with power too, concerns the people employed to train machine systems. OpenAI does not give information about how many people were used to train ChatGPT. So I asked AI researcher Melanie Mitchell for her best guess.
Yeah, that's hard to say, hundreds to thousands. There's human involvement at all different levels. There's the human involvement in figuring out what data to give the system to learn, what texts and so on. There's human involvement in training it to be kind of more conversational and to answer questions in a more human-like way. And then there's humans who try to prevent it from spewing out toxic language or other kinds of things that, the companies might not want it to say.
Since the release of ChatGPT, an investigation by Time magazine found that OpenAI used workers in Kenya to classify disturbing and illegal content, including descriptions of sexual violence. Employees reported receiving inadequate mental health support and earning less than $2 an hour.